Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 1.4 litre Corsa Energy. Now of course this car has halogen headlights as standard. You also get your LED daytime running lights as well with front fog lights. You then also get these brilliant 16-inch alloy wheels as standard as well. And I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the design pattern you do actually get. But coming round to the rear now, coming into the boot, as you can see, for a compact city car you do get plenty of room in here. You also get a full folding bench at the rear as well. Coming back out again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. You do get the full black cloth interior with Isofix mounting points down at the bottom. You get wind up windows in the rear and full electric automatic windows in the front. Inside the car now, we've got a 5-speed manual gearbox. We've got your air conditioning in the manual in the middle, as you can see just here. You've then got your touchscreen display, which has your various audio sources just here. This does also, within here, have Bluetooth hands-free. You've got 2 front heated seats as well. You've got your city driving mode, which loosens the steering wheel as well, just to make it nice and easy to drive around. You've then also got your heated steering wheel just on the left there as well. To the steering wheel now, we've got your cruise control and speed limiter on the left hand side. We've got your Bluetooth hands-free, mute button and voice assistant on the right, along with your onboard computer controls and your volume. You can then control the onboard computer as well via the indicator stalk, and as you can see, this car has done 52,905 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Vauxhall Corsa, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.